Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. We spend billions of dollars reaching for the stars, examining every inch of Mars's surface. But what about the world beneath our feet? In school, we were taught that the Earth's interior is made up of layers and a molten, boiling core. Do you know how deep humanity has actually managed to dig so far? Only 12 kilometers, about 7.5 miles. Considering the 6,400-kilometer distance to the Earth center, we've only scratched the thinnest membrane of the crust. This means we have never seen with our own eyes what truly lies miles below. What if the inside of the Earth isn't just boring? Dead layers of magma. Welcome. Today, we investigate the legend hidden for centuries, the Hollow Earth Theory. The Hollow Earth Theory isn't just a modern internet myth. It is an ancient belief spanning thousands of years. Hinduism, Buddhism, and even ancient Mayan tablets speak of a common legend, a massive continent hidden deep within the Earth called Agartha. According to claims, hundreds of miles below the crust, there are massive oceans, forests, and underground cities illuminated by their own inner sun. An advanced civilization lives there. One that achieved technological and spiritual enlightenment thousands of years before us, taking refuge underground to escape massive cataclysms. From their glowing crystal cities, away from the wars and diseases of the surface, they watch us silently. It sounds like a fairy tale, right? That is, until 1947. The famous American explorer and pilot, Admiral Richard Byrd, was conducting a flight over the North Pole, but in his personal diary, kept secret and revealed only after his death, he wrote mind-blowing things. Byrd described flying through a massive opening at the pole, where the ice suddenly ended, replaced by warm, lush green valleys and forests. He even saw animals long extinct on the surface, like massive mammoths. His radio cut out, and flying, disc-shaped craft with strange symbols approached his plane. Did Byrd encounter that secret underground civilization that day? If there is another world inside the Earth, where are the entrances? Theorists claim there are massive magnetic openings at the North and South Poles. However, these areas are censored on satellites and closed to civilian flights. And it's not just the poles. Look at massive underground cities like Derinkuyu in Turkey, which could house thousands of people, or the endless cave systems in South America. We still don't fully know what ancient people were trying to reach by digging these massive tunnels. Perhaps these tunnels are just the beginning of a massive subterranean highway descending into the bright halls of Agartha. Today, science uses seismic waves to prove that the Earth's interior consists of solid and liquid layers. Yet recently, massive underground oceans larger than all the water on the surface and colossal mountain ranges were discovered deep beneath the crust. The darkness beneath our feet is much more alive and complex than we thought. Perhaps the legend of Agartha is just humanity's hope, or perhaps it's a grand secret. But at night, while storms rage on the surface and we look to the sky searching for aliens, perhaps the real aliens aren't in space, but living miles beneath our feet, waiting for their turn. If you enjoyed this, please leave a like and subscribe for more content.